i-reconcile yung mga diferensya ng Senate at saka House version. Pag na-reconcile na at natapos na sila, i-approve nila yon at pipirmahan nilang lahat.
Okay.
Pipirmahan nila yung BICAM report. Yung BICAM report naman, ibabalik yun sa plenary. Yung plenary naman, mag-ratify. So kung ano yung napirmahan na Bicameral Conference Committee, ratified by the plenary. So hindi mo na pwedeng baguhin yun kasi ratified by the plenary. Yung ratified version ng plenary ng BICAM report, yun yung maging basis ng tinatawag na enrolled bill.
Okay.
Kasi yung enrolled bill naman yun, yung pag napirmahan na ng presidente, yun yung tinatawag na General Appropriations Act.
Yeah.
That's why, emphasize natin, importante yung produkto or bicameral